If you have existing data in your Amazon S3 bucket that you want to use for model training, we provide an easy way to integrate and sync your data directly with your bucket. Now let's go through the process of connecting one to our Datature account. From your project main dashboard, click Upload to go to the Dataset page. Click Connector tab, have the Amazon S3 option selected, type in your preferred connection name, AWS bucket name, any specific prefix if you want to selectively sync any particular folders, and make sure you specify the same region as where your S3 bucket is located at. Now, we will show you what you have to add to your AWS IAM role. Copy the policies that we have generated for you, head to your AWS console, and next to the AWS IAM page, click Policy on the sidebar to create a new one. Click JSON and paste the policies that you have copied earlier, and click Next. Type in your policy name, click Create, and go back to the Datature UI for our next step. We will now need to update the trust policies for our AWS IAM role. Similarly, copy the policy provided and go back to the AWS console to create our role. Select Role on the sidebar, click Create Role, select the custom trust policy and replace with the policy that you have copied earlier. Click Next and attach the permission policies that we have created, and type in your role name, create the role, and after it's created, get your AWS IAM role ARN. Now go back to our Datature UI and input the ARN info. Click Next and wait for the test connection to complete successfully. You can then click Sync Now and wait for the syncing to complete. Now you can see that all our images have been successfully synced from our AWS bucket.